the flagship project of the National Committee on Dance. It has been running for 11 years now, and it's getting bigger every year. For 2013, we're going to have at least 30 performances in 30 different venues all over the country. There will also be more than 30 performing groups to participate in Sayaw Pinoy 2013. Now, it aims to popularize the different forms of dance. So in one concert, you will see the folk dance, the traditional dances. There's neoclassical, classical ballet, modern, contemporary, ballroom, and even hip-hop. For 2013, we have lined up the venues for the performances. On February 2, there will be Sayaw Pinoy in Pampanga, in the Ayala Monarchy Mall and Holy Angels University. Then February 3 in Concert at the Park. February 9 to 11 in Zamboanga del Sur. We'll be touring the 10 municipalities and cities in Zamboanga del Sur. To name a few, that's Aurora, Lapuyan, Tumalarac, Lakewood, Pagadian City, Mahayag, Tigbao, Pukuran, Dinas, and Bayog. And then February 7 and 8, Sayaw Pinoy will be in Baguio at St. Louis University. February 6, 15 to 18 in Pangasinan, Lingayen, Urdaneta, Dagupan, Alaminos, Bolinao, and Manawa. Then we move on to Negros Oriental on February 15 to 17 to perform in Mabinay, Tanay, and in Dumaguete cities, Silliman University and St. Paul College. Then we move to Camarines Sur on February 22 to 25. We will visit Naga, Iriga, Ragay, Legazpi, and then we will perform also in Bicol University and the Universidad of Santa Isabel. In Concert at the Park, we will have 3 free concerts that will be on February 3, as I mentioned earlier. Then next Sunday, February 10, up to and then on the 26th. Aside from these venues, we also will be performing in the different colleges and universities in Metro Manila. So we have performances in St. Pedro Poveda College, in Miriam College, in St. Paul, Adamson University, and we're still getting invitations, and the committee will meet on where we'll really go. So as of now, we're still receiving requests for Sayaw Pinoy to be performed, but we're trying our best to accommodate all of them and trying to fix our schedule and assign the different dance groups to be able to have Sayaw Pinoy in their places. Mayors and governors are full support to this Sayaw Pinoy, and the partnership between the LGUs is really getting stronger, and the audience development program of the NCCA is also maximized, and every year we have more than 100,000 in the audience of Sayaw Pinoy. At this point also, I would like to announce, you might be interested to know the awardees, because at the end of the National Arts Month, there will be an awarding of the Ani ng Dangal Award in Malacanang Palace, and these are the first prize winners in the different international competitions. And I would like to mention to you the celebrities who will be getting this award, aside from the different artists in the different art forms. So we have Brillante Mendoza for cinema, and Nora Honor for her Silapukunan. Under cinema, we have also Charmaine Buencamino for her Niño, Kenneth Cobonque in Cabaret Sofa, Carla David from GMA News TV Eyewitness, Alcansha, and Once Upon a Time from ABS-CBN. Carla David, congratulations. She's one of the awardees in Ani ng Dangal. And from ABS-CBN also we have Sarah Geronimo. That's just to mention some of the awardees. Some of the celebrity awardees for Ani ng Dangal 2013. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.